Hi, my name is Paul Hand. I'm the product manager for AMX Autopatch Group. And today I'd like to take just a few minutes and talk to you about the new HDMI UTPRO 0808 and the Optima HDMI 8x8 matrix switcher. Let's start with the 8x8 UTPRO solution. It's an 8x8 matrix switcher for HDMI with HDCP, along with integrated native NetLinks control with Cat5 distribution, all in one 2-rack unit enclosure. The interesting thing about the HDMI UTPRO 0808 is that it solves one of the key issues associated with HDMI in a matrix switching environment, which is the constant loss of video due to HDCP authentication and re-authentication when switching between sources and destinations. With AMX's very exciting Instigate technology, we're continuously keeping all of the source and destination key validations active, even if an output isn't switched to a given input. What that means is when you're executing switches, the image comes very quickly and you don't have to wait for that HDCP authentication, which can take several seconds to occur. In addition, that also means when I switched from a previous source, if a display is already showing that new source, it will not lose video when I execute a new output to that switch. So the way it works is very basic. It's an 8x8 matrix switcher. If you're looking for 8 outputs locally, you can just bring them directly out. However, we have an integrated Cat5 solution as well. It's a simple jumper to the lower section, at which point it utilizes native NetLinks control and embeds that control on a 2 Cat5 solution. The Cat5s can go 30 meters, at which point they're able to have extenders added to them, up to a total of 90 meters with 2 additional repeaters. It is powered from the device if it's just a 30-meter run, and the receivers are designed to fit very nicely behind the display. And as you can see, they have the 2 Cat5s in, an HDMI with embedded audio out. It also has full native NetLinks control port on the receiver, so you have a full bidirectional serial control and IR control at each of the 8 receivers. The kit comes with the matrix switcher, the embedded Cat5 distribution, and 8 receivers. There's also a version of an Optima 8x8 matrix switcher for HDMI that can be combined with any of the other 50+ boards currently available in the Optima 2 and 3 rack unit enclosures. Those allow for signal management for signals such as RGB-HV, component video, DVI, S-video, composite video, stereo audio, you name it. And again, that's available in the Optima series in either the 2-rack unit or 3-rack unit series. The HDMI boards, both on the Optima and the HDMI UTPRO 0808, have resolution capabilities up to full 1080p all the way up to 1920 by 1200 on every input to every output. And it's generally a very, very cost-effective unit, especially in regards to having an incorporated signal distribution as well as transport solution on Cat5 and the 8 native NetLinks at every endpoint. Overall, it's a really exciting solution, and we're happy to be able to bring it to you from AMX. So until next time, thanks so much. This is Paul Hand saying goodbye, and have a great ISE.